Once I've drawn them in, I just make sure they're all brushed into position, but we actually have 2 different products that we can use to now set those hairs in place so that they don't move all day. So one of the EyebrowQueen products is a clear fixing lotion, and the other one is a coloured mascara that coats each hair with fibres and holds them in position. This is the EyebrowQueen Colour Boost. It's a coloured mascara, it's made for eyebrows, and it has lots of fibres in it as well, and it has a really like a medium to firm fixing power. So there's 2 sides to it. It's quite a big brush. The shorter side is to put a lot of product onto the brow, and the longer side is for applying like when you only need a little bit on there. I'm going to lightly brush through the hairs. And what that does then, coats each hair with colour, sticks little fibres to each hair as well. It just gives your brows a really good boost. That's why it's called the Colour Boost. It adds colour and boosts the size of them. And you can see that it's holding the hairs in place, but you can see I'm not really getting it all over the skin. And that's because the bristles of the brush are really nice and long. So that's the Colour Boost. For the other side, I'm going to use the EyebrowQueen Brow Fix, which is a new product that's out there. It's not like your usual gels, it's a setting lotion. So the trick to this is we apply 1 drop to the brush, and then we're going to pop that onto the brows, and this will hold the brows in place all day. So I'm going to brush through lightly just to distribute that product across the brow. Then that will go slightly tacky, and you can use the actual angled side of the brush to apply it as well, and that will just hold all those hair strokes in place all day. Or if you've got any stubborn hairs, then you can really push them up with the angled brush. If you have hairs that stick away from the face, you can actually pop your brush against the hair to hold it down and rub it upwards like that, and that will stick them against the skin. And then you can literally go swimming, you can go to the gym, and that won't move.